another one that I'm working on. I just made a steam engine out of brass. I machined up the crankshaft, the pistons and the frame, and I just got a little N20 motor driving it at the moment. I've just got that just turning very slowly, and that's just to give you demos. I say that it doesn't need to go fast. The other thing is I've got 3 cobwebs in that fire. That's what they look like here. They've got a chip on board, and they're about 3/8 of an inch long of shaft, and in the fire they look really good. So that's what I've got there at the moment. I've done I've got a bit more painting, a bit of weathering and that, but I've got most of the stuff on. I've got to get the spinning valve, throttle valve there. I've just got a couple of glass beads on there at the moment, but I'll get that to turn. And now I've got a shaft running down the side there, and that I'll put a motor underneath there to drive that as well. But I thought I'd just share what I'm up to there. But I really like those new leads. These are, I've only just got these. These are new ones from China. Just very small circuit board, and they've got a 555. Look at the size of that 555 integrated circuit, the chip. But that's it. So yeah, you can see roughly how long they are all up. I just got a 1K lead on there at the moment, but I've got 3 of them in there in the fire, and they look really good. Anyhow, that's my little steam engine. I've got to run that. I'm driving the I'm not sure I'll make the bottles or the stamp mill. Not sure what I want to do with it yet. Anyhow, that's what I'm up to.
Thank you for watching Animate FX. Hope you enjoyed it.